Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about starting your LLC in New Mexico. I'm Michelle and I'll be taking you on a step-by-step guide on what exactly is an LLC and how you can set it up in the most affordable and easy way. You will also learn about the term piercing the corporate veil in this video, so do keep watching because that's going to be very important information. So those who opt for starting a New Mexico LLC will have a massive incentive program and tax benefits like a reduction in tax liabilities for operating in the state. The oil and the energy section is booming in New Mexico. Also, there's sunshine in the state all year round, making it a competitor in the list of solar energy production. Firstly, let's get to the bottom of what exactly is an LLC. An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets, thus giving you personal asset protection. When starting an LLC in New Mexico, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $50. Now you can start your New Mexico LLC by three methods. Number one, you can do it online, which is by yourself, and you can send it to the government website. Or number two is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there, and we recommend Tailor Brands as one of the best services out there for this purpose. Number three is you can hire an attorney. We're mainly going to be discussing the first two options, but you always do have an option to hire an attorney as well. The first step to starting your New Mexico LLC is choosing a business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the States, follows all the LLC naming guidelines. The guidelines are available in the links mentioned below at startmyllc.io. The specific requirements that need to be followed when naming the company is number one, your business name should be available. No other existing business in New Mexico can share that name. Each business name is unique to its owner. Limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. You cannot use any name for the business that is confusing or misleading. Terms such as Treasury, FBI, CIA, State Department should not be included. Terms like bank, university, attorney, and doctors can be added, but only after the additional requirements by the New Mexico state government are fulfilled. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you do want to hold on to the name that you've decided, then you can reserve the name for 120 days for $20. The second and a very critical step to forming an LLC in the state of New Mexico is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that will work on your LLC's behalf. This person will receive important paperwork and other official government correspondence in New Mexico. It is important to make sure your registered agent for the service is a resident of New Mexico and has a physical street address. Their business address or the principal address should be based in New Mexico. Most LLC formation companies also provide registered agent services. Tailor Brands is a great setup service for that. And even if you buy the cheapest plans, which is around $49 per year, you get registered agent service and many other services at a very reasonable price. An important thing to note when getting a registered agent is having a legit one, because in case where you get sued, the lawyer of the other company is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe that they're setting up LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up an LLC is to limit your liability and protect your personal assets. Basically what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who is the one suing you is going to start looking for cracks in your LLC. Now this is where they pierce the corporate veil. First thing that we'll check is, do you have an agent? Is the agent legit and have they been filing the paperwork at all? The third and another important step in forming an LLC is to file a certificate of formation. This New Mexico Articles of Organization is a legal document which is needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It costs $50 to file your formation certificate in New Mexico. The certificate of formation includes details like name of the LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, and structure of the company, whether it's member managed or manager managed. Now, before you're hiring employees in your New Mexico LLC, once you know about the rules and regulations thoroughly to avoid any issues in the future. We recommend using Tailor Brands to file a certificate of formation because they provide a simpler way to fill out the form without you missing any steps or making mistakes. If you get stuck anywhere, they have a live chat that will help you out. Now, the fourth step is filing the operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. Now, this document is vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page and it reduces future conflicts. When it comes to filing a new Mexico LLC operating agreement, the state does not require you to have a comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains all the details of your business operations. We recommend that it should be done by using a professional service such as Tailor Brands, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing out on any of the details. They only charge $29 for the agreement template that's drafted, and that's really not too much to pay for something that will help your future business. The EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number which is given by the IRS to make it easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of business for that matter. EIN is needed when the LLC hires employees. To obtain an EIN, one has to fill up a form, which can be done online or can be done by mail, and submit it to the IRS. Enter details of your LLC and finally complete the form and send it on. You can also get an EIN assistant through Tailor Brands who can help you out with the process. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there and check out which of the options fit your requirements. For now, I'm going to show you how you can file the forms using Tailor Brands. So this is the website for Tailor Brands, and as you can see on the website, there's option to set up your LLC, and you can also design a logo, merch, and the website itself for your brand in case you need one and haven't really gotten around to getting it. I'm going to go into Form an LLC. Now choose the state that you're setting up your LLC in. Add your business name. You can check for the name availability here, which will save you a lot of time. Or alternatively, you can choose the method that I told you earlier by going to the business entity name search. Click on the type of services that you're offering. You'll have to pick which stage of your business that you're on, whether it's still in the idea stage or it has been set up and fully running. Choose what sort of income your brand will be. Now you can select ways in which you would be offering your services. Choose whether your business will have a physical address to receive the documents, and also whether there'll be a dedicated person there who's going to receive these. Select the number of employees. Now you have to fill out the information for your business, like your name, phone number, email address. Now choose whether you want to opt for a registered agent or not. Tailor Brand charges $199 annually for hiring a registered agent. If you don't have one, then I highly recommend that you get one through them, because the one thing you can't risk is not having a legitimate registered agent. You're going to need an EIN, like I discussed before, for tax-related purposes. If you don't have one, or you're overwhelmed by the process required to get an EIN, then just let Tailor Brands do it for you. It's going to cost you $99. Pick if you want to file for compliance. It will cost you $199 when you do it through Tailor Brands. Here you can choose whether you want to have your business branding done. If you already have things like logos, domain, and a website, then just move forward. Select if you want to speed up the process. You can form the operating agreement using Tailor Brands if you haven't made one already, or you are unsure of how to proceed with making the agreement by yourself. Pick if you want insurance or not. Now choose whether you want to open up a bank account in case you don't have one. See if all the information that you chose and entered is correct, and check the final billing as well. You can now proceed to pay for the service, and that's all you need to start and form your LLC. So what's next now that you've created your new Mexico LLC? Well, there are still a few things that you're going to need. You're going to need a bank account for your business. You're going to have to file business permits and licenses. You're going to need general liability insurance and professional insurance for your employees. And you have to file the LLC annual report. So this was an in-depth video on how to start your LLC in New Mexico. I hope it helps you out in setting up your LLC, and good luck to all of you out there who are starting up your businesses. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.